Hi everyone, it's Saturday and we are headed out to the Disney resorts. I think we're gonna go visit Fort Wilderness. Hey guys, we are at Fort Wilderness and we are kayaking, well not kayaking, we are canoeing away on the swampy river. Hi Nathan. Yeah. Cherokee. Pocahontas.
Listen to the sound of the Cherokee. Eagles fly over Canoe. Sacred bird of the Cherokee, land of blue smoke calling me. Chicanery.
After a 45-minute journey through the swamplands, I have made it back. We've come to the Tri-Circle Petting Zoo Farm. He's not coming. No. He doesn't like me. Sad day. Hi. Hi.
Hi, I know this one's a video this time.
Good job. We're taking a boat ride over to the Wilderness Lodge.
3-hour tour.
3 hours.
This boat's called the Canoe, I think. Should be really safe.
Remain seated till we have reached your destination. When you ask parents, please supervise your children. Thank you.
Okay, so make sure I don't fall off the boat, basically, because I am on the edge.
Unless you get pushed. It is Halloween.
Halloween. Yeah, we're gonna go get some lunch, I think, and do a little bit of exploring, so that should be fun. And we just saw a bunch of ponies. They didn't want to take photos with me. Sad day.
Hey, I have a joke for everybody. It's copyright to me, okay? What do you call it when horses go out without their clothes on?
What?
They're going around naked. Okay, sorry.
Whee! There she blows!
We're at Yosemite right now. We've traveled hundreds of miles from Florida, enjoying Old Faithful. I'll buy yours.
No, you won't. You will buy your own. We're checking out our new real estate. Gonna move here. This is Golden Oaks. Which one do you want, babe?
I can't pick.
Hello. We have finished our Walmart trip.
Hello.
And now we are headed to Denny's for our final evening in Orlando. Sadness. But it's going to be a delicious dinner. That's the face that you make when you realize that you have to get up at 5 in the morning to go to the airport.
This is a face of sadness. In the arms of an angel.
Hi, people. We just finished dinner at Denny's. It was very delicious.
Yes, old people capital of the U.S.
Pretty much, we were the youngest people in the entire restaurant, but that's okay because food was good. And now I'm gonna go pack up all of our stuff, and we're gonna head to the airport at 5 a.m. and it's gonna suck, but that's okay. We've had an awesome vacation, and we will see you guys tomorrow.
I don't believe humans should see 5 a.m. twice in a day.
No, we shouldn't.